Beef and Lamb New Zealand Genetics works with a diverse range of breeders to enable commercial farmers to profit from New Zealand's world-class genetic gains. nProve is an online tool designed with farmers for farmers to help you discover genetics fit for your purpose, giving you the power to make informed decisions for your farm. nProve is a multi-species tool, updated every month, that allows farmers to search for sire options on one platform. Start by setting your breeding objective. We recommend focusing on up to 3 priorities. Trying to improve too many traits at once can mean slower progress across all of them. This video will walk through an example that demonstrates how to use nProve to find breeders with rams that meet your breeding goals. For this scenario, our farmer runs a self-replacing sheep system in the North Island, and they're looking for maternal rams to breed replacements from. Their priorities are a good all-round maternal performer, internal parasite resistance, and because of the farm's environment, facial eczema tolerance is a must. Start by selecting sheep, then the maternal production system. We'll assume that as the farmer is North Island based, they're happy to travel within the North Island for their rams. Now, let's select the traits that are most important to this farmer's scenario. nProve has many indexes to choose from, including a range of maternal, production, and health trait indexes. There are also breeding values for many individual traits. A good place to start for this farmer example is by utilising the New Zealand Maternal Worth Index. This is a great all-round maternal index as all the traits listed to the right are included in this index. Start by setting the New Zealand Maternal Worth slider to 50% for a broad view of what's available. As you move the sliders, you can see the number of animals that meet your criteria change in real time, shown in the bar above. Avoid the temptation to move the slider right to the top, as you will severely limit your options. Generally speaking, selecting above industry average will still move your flock forward, and you can always refine your search further later on. The next traits of focus for this farmer's breeding objective are wormfec for parasite resistance and facial eczema tolerance. You'll find these under the health indexes. You can also add breeding values to fine-tune your search. BVs can be a useful way for following traits you're interested in, but don't want to narrow your results down by yet. For example, you can turn on BVs for DAG score or methane without adjusting the sliders, so you can see how breeders in your results perform in these areas. Key tips to remember. Focus on your top 3 priorities. Focusing on too many traits at once can be difficult and will make your progress slower across lots of traits. For indexes, bigger is always better, because these are reported in dollar values. The sliders have guides. These tell you what you're getting by pushing the slider in either direction. For breeding values, this will tell you the direction of preference for each trait without having to remember whether a good BV is a positive or a negative value for each trait. Remember to scroll when you're viewing on a phone. Scroll sideways to see more traits, and remember to scroll up to look at the number of animals meeting your criteria to make sure you haven't limited yourself too far. Once you've finished defining your criteria, click Show Breeder Results. nProve quickly identifies your options, ranked by likeness to your selection criteria. Results are automatically ordered by likeness, or, in other words, how closely the relevant animals within a breeder meet your criteria. Pay attention to the number of relevant animals. This is not all animals from that breeder. This number represents the number of animals meeting your criteria from this breeder. In More Info, you can see how many animals that breeder has in relation to how many meet your criteria. A higher number means a closer alignment between your goals and the breeder's. As you scroll down, you'll see more options. If a breeder's card shows NA, it means that they may still be recording the traits you've selected, but they are not benchmarked, so nProve can't compare them directly with other flocks. The coloured bars on each result card match the trait boxes below. If a bar is missing, check the colour of the trait box. Grey indicates that a breeder is recording this trait but isn't benchmarked. White indicates the trait isn't being recorded. Again, click More Info to see what else the breeder is recording and how to contact them. To create a shortlist, flag breeders of interest by clicking the flag icon in the top left corner of each card. Then turn on the Flagged Only filter to compare your top picks side by side. Once you've shortlisted breeders, you can take a closer look at their individual animals. Click Animal Results to view a list of rams from the breeders you've flagged. You can flag individual animals that stand out to start your shortlist. You can also switch to table view and export your list to an Excel file. This is handy for sharing with others and using in discussions with your breeder. Keep in mind there is no Buy Now button on nProve, so these animals may not all be available to you on sale day. Instead, use this information to help you have better conversations with your breeder to help describe what you're looking for. Expert Mode is a feature that is available in the Choose Traits screen. When you enable Expert Mode, the sliders become double-ended. This is ideal for traits where you want an intermediate optimum. You may not want to increase or decrease in a particular trait, so you can set a range by adjusting both ends of the slider. Before buying new rams, it's a good idea to evaluate your current ram team. You can do this using the Animal ID search function by either typing in their IDs or pasting in a list of EIDs from your reader. To see how your rams stack up, you'll be able to see their current genetic merit regardless of age or when you purchased them. This may help you identify gaps in your current ram team, which can inform your new purchases. nProve is about empowering you to make informed ram purchases for on-farm progress.